Getting started with DiceBot. DiceBot's user interface is more flexible than many people realize and can be adjusted and customized quite a bit. First off, the size of your settings box on the right can be adjusted by hovering over the gray vertical bar between the main interface and the settings box. This is extremely helpful when using the advanced or programmer mode on a very small screen. You can also adjust the size of the chart and the bed log by dragging the horizontal gray bar between the two. Or you can hide the chart completely by clicking on the Hide Chart button, bottom right of the chart. To show the chart again, you can just click the Show Chart button. Some more customizations you can make is hiding the manual control and login panels. Go to View and then just uncheck the panels that you don't want to see. If you want to see them again, just click on them to check them again. You can also hide or show the chart from this menu as well. Another customization you can make is how many beds or rows are displayed in the Live Beds panel. To change this, go to View, Settings. This form has a lot of settings and all of them will be covered in a future video. For now, we want to look at this setting over here. Number of beds to show in Live Bed panel. I'm going to change this to 10 and save my settings. Now you'll see the live bed just shrunk to 10 beds and will stay at 10 beds as the bot is betting. I'm going to change this again to, let's say, 300 beds and save my settings. Now you'll see the list is filling up again, going past 10 beds as the bot is betting. This list will continue to grow until there are 300 bets here, and then it will start throwing away the oldest bet as new bets come in. Note that it does not fill the bets historically if you increase the limit. It only fills the list with new bets. If this video was informative and taught you something you didn't know about DiceBot, hit like. If it didn't, then I'm sorry I wasted your time. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos about DiceBot, as I'll be delving into the more and more complex features of the bot in the coming videos. Thank you for watching and happy rolling.